Ayo, what up, family? It's your boy, Fifth Dog 47, man, once again, aka Miyagi the DJ. Hey, for a disclaimer, before I go anywhere else, I know people gonna be saying, who's this guy? Hey, what is this?
Yo, you know where the danger is.
Disclaimer, this is a voiceover used by Madanono Shelby,
You know where the danger is.
aka Black Driver. So, the reason I'm using a disclaimer is because I wanna acknowledge people that this is not Madanono. So, I love the guy, man. So, I felt inspired, so I went ahead and changed my voice too, so that I can kind of sound like him, but this is not him. So, with no further ado, the reason we are here, I'm about to show you how to turn your regular monitor into an OLED or QLED monitor, bruh. Like, you heard me right.
Cap.
It's not gonna be the same, but it's gonna be the same. You hear what I mean? As you can see on my screen, man, the pictures are vivid, they are crystal clear, all that kind of stuff. So let me just show you how it's done. First thing you're gonna do, you're gonna head over to your search bar, or you're gonna press your Windows button on your keyboard and go ahead and type NVIDIA panel control. This is the app you're looking for. My bad, this is not an AMD guidelines.
Fuck you!
So if you're using NVIDIA graphics card, this one is for you, bro. Go ahead and run NVIDIA control panel, okay? Let's just wait for it to open. Where it says display, that's where you're gonna pull up and scroll down until you get into the option that says adjust desktop color settings, okay? And make sure you follow my steps, man. Let me just put this on full screen. Make sure you are on display, adjust desktop color settings, and when you get here, these options will be all colors, okay? Then make sure you set your brightness to 50%, okay? Make sure you set your contrast to 80%, and make sure you set your gamma to plus 1%. Then go to digital vibrance. Make sure your digital vibrance is 80. Then HUE is 0%, okay? And just go ahead and save. Everything is there. So you're gonna go ahead and click apply. Then just close the panel control panel, bro. So refresh your monitor, and that's how it is. It's gonna be like an QLED OLED monitors, bro. Trust me. Best experience ever. 5Dog47 is out. Peace.
You never give me. You never give me.